As a language teacher, one of the most important concepts to emphasize to students is the value of comprehensible input. Comprehensible input refers to understandable language intake that contains structures slightly beyond the learner's current level. It is a key element of Stephen Krashen's influential theory of second language acquisition. Why is comprehensible input so powerful for learning a new language? When learners are exposed to carefully curated input that is just a step above their current proficiency, it facilitates the gradual building of more advanced skills. The input should be comprehensible, with enough context and prior knowledge to make the overall meaning understandable. However, it also stretches learners by including some new grammar, vocabulary, etc. That is slightly beyond what they can easily produce themselves at that stage. Comprehensible input unlocks a virtuous cycle of progress. As learners understand the meaning of the input through contextual clues and transfer of knowledge from their first language, their brains start acquiring the new linguistic structures in the input naturally and subconsciously. Over time, with repeated exposure to comprehensible +1 input across reading, listening, viewing, and interactions, those new structures become acquired and integrated into the learner's proficiency. Their skills expand to the next level, allowing them to tackle even higher input, continually advancing their abilities. There are many ways the language teacher incorporates comprehensible input into their classes. A foundational approach is using comprehensible texts, readings, audiovisual materials, lesson materials, etc., that are carefully leveled to match and gently push beyond each learner's current skills. Additionally, they consciously design activities with information gaps, forced output delays, and constrained response types, factors that create an optimal environment of being pushed to comprehend language a notch above one's productive abilities in the moment. For example, students might read a level-appropriate text. Then the teacher asks provocative comprehension questions requiring higher-level thinking and output. Or they'll play an audio recording with occasional missed word blanks, so students must infer meanings from the surrounding context clues. Certain cooperative activities allow negotiation of meaning between peers at different ability levels. The key is ensuring each learner is working within their comprehension sweet spot while being stretched slightly beyond it. Comprehensible input is motivating because it feels like authentic communication instead of simplified language study. Yet it maintains the right level of challenge to facilitate subconscious acquisition and skills advancement. With extensive exposure to finely tuned comprehensible input across all domains, language learners steadily internalize more and more of the language system. In the language teacher's experience, supplying a rich diet of comprehensible input is one of the most powerful drivers of lasting language proficiency growth. For more tips and tricks, visit trilingual.com. By joining forces with Trilingual, schools are equipped to foster affirming learning environments where every teacher has the opportunity to excel.